and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while. Today I wanted to review private label hair. So I got my hair last year and I've been in love with it since my first install. I got 20, 22, and 24 inches installed and I'm in love. This is the Kinky Straight. As you can see in the videos attached before I started talking, that it's way more poofier than this. However, it does match my natural texture. You can see I have my leave out and it blends in seamlessly. One of the biggest things that people had to say or ask questions about this hair was the shedding. I think all hair sheds. It doesn't shed tremendously or crazy like. I do love the hair. It takes heat very, very well. I haven't curled it yet, so I just got it flat ironed, as you can see in the video, and this is the remains of that. It has poofed up a little bit. It does have a little bit of a crimp wave to it. I love this hair because not only does it look natural, but it feels great on my head. Holds heat very well, straightens, all of that. I have loved this hair since the moment I've installed it. There's a few other hairs that I've had that I've purchased from other companies, not necessarily the Kinky Straight, but more so curly or just straight. And I am so happy that I made the decision to switch to Kinky Straight. I will never forget it. So let's get down to the hair. Last time that I had this hair installed, it was probably installed for a good 2 months. When I say I love it, I love it. I haven't trimmed the ends, so you can see what it looks like. Pretty poofy. It shampoos very, very well, detangles very well. I had no issues with it. As far as dealing with the actual company, there are some reviews on the website, but not enough, and I definitely didn't see any videos, which is why I'm here. I paid for this hair with my own money. And again, I have 3 bundles in it. I'm trying to figure out all the questions that people have been asking me about this hair. So it is 3 bundles. Again, it's 22. They do have closures that come in this texture. I'm not sure the length of the closures, but they do offer closures on the website. For my leave out, I've been using Olaplex. I've had this hair installed for about 2 weeks and I haven't had the need to shampoo it. I did want to talk a little bit about how I maintain my leave out, and that's by using good old holding products. First things first, I wanted to say Cream of Nature. This gives my hair a nice little sheen, adds oil to it without drying it out, gives my hair a nice little gloss. I love that. And also, I've been using Style Factor Edge Booster. So if you get this, you have to get the wax one. So the wax paired with the flat iron on the when you first install it, perfect. This has lasted me for 2 weeks. Have not flat ironed my hair. I do plan on shampooing my hair, so I will need to flat iron it soon. Also, I've been using Got to Be Glued hairspray. It is a hairspray, and I figured, you know, if it's strong enough to hold a wig to someone's head, then surely it's strong enough to keep my leave out straight, and I've been right. It does leave it a little bit brittle, which is where we come in with the Cream of Nature, just to soften it up a little bit and add that sheen to it. But I've had no problems maintaining my leave out once I started using Got to Be Glued, and I absolutely love it. Outside of that, I will double back in a couple weeks, or maybe once I get it tightened, circle back in a month and give another review on this hair. Again, I love it, so I'm not expecting much to change about it, but I know the girlies were kind of wondering about me managing my hair and the leave out. And I will say that when your hair that you are installing matches your natural hair texture, you navigate things like leave out and heat damage a lot differently. There are definitely some hair that I have in my possession that I've installed, and I love it. I love everything about the hair. And then once I look back at pictures, I'm like, my hair's not that straight. And even in the summertime, I love wearing my long hair. I love my bad bitch era with the, you know, the middle part and all that. But I live in Georgia, so my hair needs to be straight at all times. And if I do get a straighter hair texture, once you start slicking it down with all of that extra product, it starts looking a little bit greasy, stiff, and the last thing that anyone wants is a stiff weave. So this is part 1 of my review of the private label Kinky Straight. Stay tuned. I will definitely be back to say more about this hair and about the upkeep that I have once I do start shampooing it. So I'll be back. Stay tuned.